Today, I have a few more characters that I will be adding to the list. I don't think I have any Sonics on here. So let's start with Perfect Chaos. He's water. Of course he has that weak spot, but he's still going to be hard to beat. So I'm going to give him a nice solid A. Sorry, I did not put the tape on the back of these beforehand, so yeah. Wave the Swallow. I think that's an instant F tier. That stands literally no chance at all. Cream and Cheese. That's going D. Why do they have a better chance than Wave? Well, that's because Founder might be like, not worth fighting. And they might get more hits in before it's like, okay, I'm tired of this pummel. Chaotix. Yeah, they're basically in the middle. They only because Founder might be like, I'm not going to completely obliterate the B. Rouge the Bat. I mean, she's skilled, but not enough. Jet the Hawk. I'm just gonna say C because pretty sure he's supposed to be kinda fast. Like maybe near Sonic's level, so maybe. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Sage. We have Sage. Probably S tier. Probably gonna be the best. One of the best chances. You know, taking hits from and mind controlled Supreme, or at least making barriers that can do so. Phantom Ruby Death Egg. That is definitely 100% a good ol' A. Next, just getting another weak guy out of the way. Storm the Albatross. That's an F if I've ever seen one, and I have. Egg Wizard. Probably S because it nearly destroyed 2 universes, which is probably just about one of the best that you can get. Egg Dragoon. It's stated to be strong, but it hasn't really shown, oh hey, I'm gonna destroy 2 universes. So I'm just putting it between. Egg Salamander. That is another one. About on par with Egg Wizard. Whisper the Wolf. Gotta put her D tier. Sure, she has her gun, but that's not gonna do much against Founder. Big the Cat. Instant F. He can throw cars, but that's not very helpful compared to Founder's strengths. The Bio-Lizard, aka the Final Hazard. I'm gonna go with B since it did manage to last a bit against Supersonic and Super Shadow. So just getting completely, utterly obliterated. Mephiles the Dark is going in A tier because he's immortal, which will make him difficult to kill. Oh yeah, since I had Whisper, I have to put Tangle. Yeah, obvious F. Next, we have Infinite the Jackal. I mean, he made a whole little pocket dimension thing. He may be a little bit of biased. Like, the Phantom movie is also overpowered. Like, powered up the Phantom King and everything, and of course the Death Egg that Dr. Eggman used. Now we have the end of the video, and of course, the end. That's an obvious S tier. Like, above S tier, if I've ever seen one. It's the freaking end. Literally, like, the most powerful thing in the Sonic universe. Other than, of course, Sonic himself. And if you think that's going any lower than S, you're crazy. And that's our new list. Wave the Swallow, Rouge the Bat, Storm the Albatross, Big the Cat, Tangle, Chaotix, Whisper, Cream and Cheese, Jet the Hawk, BioLizard, Mephiles, Perfect Chaos, Death Egg, Phantom Ruby, Egg Dragoon, Infinite the Jackal, Egg Salamander, Egg Wizard, Sage, the end. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And have a great day. BioLizard, what are you doing here?
Subscribe or I'll destroy your house.
BioLizard, how many times have I told you don't... He's gone. Goodbye.